allow me to give some few highlights about the PMO today, tomorrow, and until end of the week. Of course, we'll provide participants with multiple opportunities to exchange between military practices and practitioners, humanitarians, and academic experts on measures to enhance protection of civilians during pertinent military operations.
This workshop in Kigali is a contribution to the development of partner military operations in respect of international humanitarian law. Preserving humanity even when fighting the enemy is at the heart of the law of armed conflict that the ICRC acts as the guardian of. And preserving humanity is the necessary balancing and restraining act in the pursuit of any military objective, as all distinguished commanders present today fully know. We are particularly grateful to the Rwanda Defence Forces for hosting us this week.
We are about to officially close this successful support relationship in armed conflict and partner military operations workshop that has been taking place in Kigali from Monday, 17 May 23 up to today. At the onset, I would like to start recognizing and thanking the ICRC for the increased cooperation with the RDF, which is demonstrated by the renewal of the signed MOU and the establishment of a joint committee to fast-track its implementation. As a result, a wonderful, important, and successful workshop was organized here in Kigali, in which over a dozen of nations have come together from across the globe to build strong relationship and expertise in what some of us know to do most.